to my channel. Today, you guys, we're going to be making some pepper steak. So to start, I just have some rice here and I have my rice cooker. I'm going to put 1.5 cups of rice in, and then I'm going to put some broccoli on the top here with my steamer. If you guys don't have one of those, just go ahead and cook your rice on the stove top. Do not stir it or anything for about 15 to 20 minutes. So I have some pepper and onion stir fry here, just the easier, quicker version to go ahead and get the peppers started. Some broccoli, this is optional. Some soy sauce, some beef, of course, some garlic, Himalayan salt, onion powder, garlic and pepper seasoning, extra virgin olive oil. Then here I have 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of ginger, and 1 tablespoon of the oyster sauce. Okay, my creatives, let's get it. How y'all doing today? Hope y'all doing good. Let's go ahead and start with some olive oil. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead and put in as much peppers as you desire, you guys. It's all up to you. Now remember, I have my rice and I have my broccoli on. Okay, put just a little bit more in there. Y'all know I love my peppers. Okay, thank you for coming back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you guys for sliding through today. I really appreciate you. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I am having an okay day. I actually don't have no energy, y'all. I'm gonna be 1,000 wild with y'all. I don't have no energy. I worked overnight tonight, so I am tired, but you know what? I'm still gonna do this video, and I'm still gonna give y'all 100%. All right. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna start with those peppers. Then we're gonna put in our beef there. Okay. Okay. So I do have it on medium high. I'll go ahead and start seasoning my stuff. Y'all know how to do it. Season it to your taste. Here I have some garlic and pepper seasoning. Okay. And then y'all know I gotta come through with that Himalayan salt. Y'all know that's all I use for my videos. Some onion powder. This is a very quick meal, y'all. Very quick meal. Okay. And then even if you want to, ooh, that smells good. If you want to, go ahead and put a little bit of garlic in there. Okay. But garlic is also going to go in our pepper steak sauce as well. So it's all up to you. I'm going to go ahead and brown this, and then we're going to be right back. About 10 minutes for the browning, y'all. I want to make sure y'all know that. All right, we start with this sauce. So I have my oyster sauce. Okay. Then I have my tablespoon of ginger. Then I have my sugar, of course. And then I'm going to add in my soy sauce, which is going to be 1/4 of a cup. Okay, 1/4 of a cup of the soy sauce. Okay. All right. You guys, I went out and got me a little rubber whisk because I noticed that I was scraping the bottom of my pants. My husband, every time, you know, you scraping the bottom of those pants. And he's right. So I found me a little rubber whisk at the dollar store, y'all. It was $1, and it's nice and durable as well. Okay, so we're gonna hey Sally and hold up on them on the heat. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for 185 subscribers so far. You guys, again, I thank you so much for coming and clicking on my videos and coming to see how to cook and coming to check your girl out. I really appreciate it. Okay, I really do. I take nothing for granted. I really love doing this, so I put my energy and efforts in it, and I appreciate you guys for coming through with the positivity and the love. You guys, look at this. Faith is being sure of what we hope and certain of what we do not see. that something? You guys, faith it's a powerful thing. It's a powerful thing. I mean, trying to keep a hold and staying strong of standing on the firm word of, you know, it's gonna come, it's gonna come, it's gonna come. That's a hard thing to do, y'all. But when that faith outweighs your worry, I'm telling you, it works, it works, it works. We all human, so guess what? We all have a little worry in us. But it's nothing that we can't get past, y'all. I'm gonna put in a little bit of water here just to simmer things down. Okay? What did y'all do pertaining to your dreams today? I hope y'all did something. I hope y'all did something pertaining to your dreams today. I know y'all did. Y'all ain't gonna let me down. Then I have I'm gonna do a tablespoon of garlic, y'all. Okay? And this is the Peppersteak sauce. Sometimes I make too much sauce, sometimes I don't make enough. See where it gets me at today. And then I have my cornstarch, of course. Okay? So I'm gonna add that in for thickener. Again, it's a really quick meal. I have my rice and my broccoli on. You guys don't have to do the broccoli, but I want more vegetables, so I want it all. All right, y'all, that's pretty much it. We're gonna put this all together, and I'll meet y'all right back here. Stay with me, my creators. Let's go ahead and dump that in. I love that it has a steamer on top. I think that's so dope. Okay, so then we just drizzle some of your sauce on top. Not all of it, reserve some. Just toss it around a little bit. Okay. Alright, you guys, the rice is done. We're gonna go ahead and plate this up. I literally, I can't speak. I literally started at 6:30. You guys, it's 7:02 and dinner is served. Okay, y'all? So stay with me to plate. So let's go ahead and plate this up. So I did put some butter in my rice. Okay. Now just want the rice, and this is definitely for photo purposes. But also if you know, cooking for your husband or your wife or yourself even, just make it look nice. Make it look nice and presentable, y'all. Okay. So that'll work. Excuse all that banging, y'all. All right, and then let's put some of this pepper steak right on the top. That looks good. That looks good. Now, by the time you would have called the Chinese restaurant, this would have been already done, y'all. Okay, really good, very easy to make. Okay, and if you want to, you can go in and add a little bit of your sauce because we saved extra. Y'all, this is my mama's favorite meal, pepper steak. Okay, and that is all to it, you guys. There we have it, my creators. Pepper steak, you guys. Thank you so much for joining my channel. Until next time, my creators, continue to believe in yourself and do something prior to your dreams every single day. Until next time, my creators, stay blessed.